accidentally. I'll just open.
Finish it. You say you finish it. Finish it. Crazy, you open so big. For what? You open so big for what? The portion is 10%. Siya, what take a video? Don't drop my phone. I drop you. Kill you.
You
What?
want to have?
No, I don't want
I
that.
just want to transfer to you.
For what?
Uh,
You say you want to finish it. Kill you.
I'm trying to try other food.
You try lah. I don't care. You try. Try all lah. But you need to finish everything if you want.
Oh yeah. Go here. Okay, here. Your friend
Your
is here.
brother.
Your friend.
Your brother here. This is not long shot. It's a come you can take a picture here. I will pass it to you this. Can see now? Can I see now?
Hello.
Hello. This one I got through you. That's it. This is a problem. This one don't throw. You try it. Throw it. I thought you don't like this. You never see it.
Dinne kanda kadalala pole like
You just need to control it. Open your mouth and try to put it in there. You open bigger.
Ow! That's so.
You think I throw you this?
You're so smart. Not bad.
This one I try to open it.
I'm gonna so fast. No, sorry. What?
Yeah.
No, you.
There's nothing on. I just opened it. Hey, Bila. Okay, one more. I don't have it. Okay. Oh, wait now. Oh. Bigger. No.
Ah!
See, it's nothing.
You open a lot of You open.
Okay.
You open your mouth. Ah. Sorry. Ano tayo mo?
Ano ya?
Ano tayo mo?
Ikaw po.
Okay, okay.
Apa ni mak?
Ano na?
Macam. Oh. Ah. Close it. Ayo. One more. Okay, you compete. 10% for you then which one you can finish?
Ano po sila?
10 piece. 4, 5, 6.
Okay.
Yeah. 7, 8, 9, 10. You can see this one. Compare here. I can see it here. No, this one. Can see now. See the combination. Wait first. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 1, 2, 3. Okay, complete. Okay, this is the first. You put your tissue here. Hey.
No, we can go. Is that
I
it?
think it is. Wait. I think my one is. What is plastic? I don't want plastic. Okay, we complete. Team, you come first.
No, your face. No, it's okay.
It's dripping, it's down, it's down. Need to be tightened. Okay. Then, you come first.
Ready?
You come first. How many videos? 10 only.
3, 5,
You don't know.
8,
2, 4, 6, 8, 10. Okay. Start.
9, 10.
10. Start.
1, 2, 3.
Achoo.
Monkeys. How do
Hmm?
how?
Hmm?
Oh my God. She's the last.
Hmm?
The last 2 person is the winner. Yes, sir. Yes.
Oh, he
I
did.
think she's so good in her hobby.
No.
So good in her hobby.
No.
Yes.
You wanna try one more?
Oh, you no.
5. Try 5. Clear the two first. No, don't throw that one.
5.
Clear it.
Competition again continues for the 5. You take this shoes to the home order, please.
5. Take 5. Not so close to you. Anyway, it's not close to you. Don't cheat. You don't touch my.
Stuff. So the second round competition, it is for the 5. The winner get The winner should have to finish these chips. That is the
No.
prize for that. So there is a prize for that. The winner should have to finish these chips. Okay.
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 So the winner will eat this. We eat the sunflower seeds.
Sunflower
Sunflower
seeds.
seed is-
Sunflower seeds.
I don't know how many pieces.
How many
1,000.
pieces? Thousand, more than thousands. I think
I
so.
wanted to slap at this one. Okay.
Okay. Ready? 1, 2, 3, go.
Finish. Finish, you see? You want to open but you never finish your food. I'm doing.
Again, she wins. So she'll have to finish the chips and sunflower seed. I think she's very good in her hobby.
See? Again.
Ayo, no.
And then you finish this one basket. Almost 1 kilo. Give you 5. Competition. Then we finish this. 5. For the third round. Hey, why you open up this?
No, you have to have a trail.
Three. I change it. Okay, for the third. Don't use your clothes. Use that one. Okay. For the third round.
Then the third round starts right now. 1,
Wait.
2, 3, 4.
Okay.
Ah!
Can I start now?
Little bit exercise. Little bit exercise. Up and down. Ah.
I'm gonna see you there.
Okay. 1, 2, 3, start.
Start.
Um, Hungrig.
Where's yours?
Yeah. She's very good in her hobby.
Why it take so long?
Mm. Oh!
It's so long. That's a lousy boy. 5, 4 rounds.
Wow, competition is finished. Competition is finished. She got the prize today. Hi. See you on go for the competition.
Yeah, until finish. Okay, for the fourth round.
For the fourth round.
Wanna do exercise now first? Wait. Wait first. 5, this 6. For the fourth round.
For the fourth round. 1,
What one?
okay?
Okay.
Before from India. Sorry, from Kerala. From
Okay.
Philippines.
Kerala is in India is also same thing. Just wait.
hungry.
Hungry, okay.
Oh,
Okay, what?
1, 2, 3, start. Hungry. She finished the 5.
Hmm.
Go and run again and come back. Rap me finish this one.
I'm gonna teach you how to open the longan. It's like that. See the longan here?
Hmm.
Use your nail and just press out. And press, don't tap. And try again. Just open and press. Then here. Okay, you'll come here again.
Oh, yeah.
5, 3. We're finishing it, can walk away. 3, 5. Ay, binating. Okay, done. Wait, I throw this. Clear your garbage bag.
Not 24 hours. I need more hours.
You need more water?
Are you?
You need water
I'm
first?
going for the exercise.
You want water?
Kilo. Kilo. Kilo.
Okay, you need. How many there?
Right.
5. 5, I got 5, I have 5. Okay. Shall we start for the round 5?
Yes. Okay.
Okay. Shall we start?
Ready? 1, 2, 3. It's foul, foul, foul. So we are to get. Okay, okay. Ready? 1, 2, 3, start.
Okay, start.
Huh? 3 ah. Where is it? You just go and run away. I'll finish it later. She's so good in her. Go and run away. Come back.
Why is so long?
Food we always have to eat slowly, not like a. Why you take so fast?
Why take so long? You lost the game.
Last again, give me the money back.
Last give. I give you 10 for the last round. 10, 2, 4, 6, 8.
Front to back.
Which one is the last? Let me see. 2, 4, 6. This is the last. How many there? You eat fast. You so dirty now. Tika your chew your tissue. Why you so tissue so dirty? Tika your two tissue there. So dirty.
So dirty.
2, 4, 6, 7, 8. 2, 4, 6, 7. Okay. Don't touch
Oh,
it.
sorry,
It's just
sorry.
only 8. 2, 4, 6, 8. 2, 4, 6, 8. Oh, yeah, same. There's one more there.
The one more get the prize. This is the prize for the last competition. And this one also, the chips also. This is the toasted chips.
Okay,
This is
$10.
$10. The failed person have to give the so the
This
winner
one-
have to give the $10
No.
to the failed person.
Wait, if you lose the
Ever
game,
lose the game,
this one $10. If
$10.
you finish this one after that you eat this one more. This is $10.
$10.
You down your $10.
Yeah, the $10 here. The $10.
Put down your $10.
Yeah, the $10.
Cash, I want the cash.
Cash.
Tika your $10 here.
I
I
don't
think
have
I have
$10.
$10.
No,
How much?
that's not fair price.
Just tika your $10 here last time. I think out. Okay, money challenge.
My passport.
No lah, I threw away that. I want that. The problem is I bring my money or not. I feel like I didn't bring any money. Yeah, how much yeah? We need to open the bag. $7 left. $10 cash. Okay. Actually, I don't have cash.
Then you use this one.
No, I don't want to borrow. I have $2. I only have ATM. Okay, take out your ATM lah, ATM lah. Later, who pay the fee for the dinner? Pay for dinner. I don't have cash. I have $2.
Cash.
I want cash. I don't have cash.
IDM. American Express MX.
Hey, you don't show that.
Ayo.
Okay. Where is yours? I don't have cash. What? Is David John? Why you don't put your name here? You just write down and phone number. See? My email address. Okay, her ATM is and my ATM. So los fees, then she was the one who paid for dinner.
I think so.
Okay, David John. For the last part, I think I win. I think I lose this time. I'm so full.
Just go through the exercise.
And I go, okay, you wanna do for the exercise?
No, enroll time, enroll time, enroll time, enroll time, enroll time. Enroll time, enroll time.
Oh, look, us.
Okay, break time finished.
Time is up. Okay, let's shall start. Okay, let's wait. You gonna walk.
Yeah, goal is always faster than you eating.
You walk, and we are eating. Okay, ah.
Okay.
Okay, we are same DBS, huh? All visa. We can ever. So what we eat for dinner? Don't go for the expense. Don't go for the expensive. So,
Chicken rice.
no. Okay, we plan first. Where we're gonna eat for dinner. Now it's already 1:35. Okay. 45. So where do you wanna eat for dinner? Just wait. Don't touch. You just plan first. Huh? Where?
Anywhere else in Singapore.
You're in the city. You're in the city. Where is this? Where? Which
Bugis.
place?
Bugis.
No, Bugis. I don't know Bugis there. So we go to the White Sun.
White Sun.
The White Sun.
Is that a restaurant?
White Sun? No.
Ah, White Sun. White Sun. White Sun.
The Pasir is there. So,
So,
how?
okay, make the deal.
Are you sure?
So, it's,
Sanla.
ah,
Sanla.
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 Yeah, you can read it.
Sanla. Sanla for this.
Ah.
Yeah. You must eat this.
Mhm.
If
After,
you lose this, we use this to pay for dinner, okay? Big deal.
okay.
We already had many times to try.
Yeah,
Try and try.
try.
Okay, you count how many pieces here?
1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. Oh, 9 pieces. So,
I see. I see how you don't bluff me. 2, 4, 6. Then I have one slap for the 9. 2, 4. Okay, I got 8 also.
7 only. Now it is 8.
Hey, go. It's 9. It's 8.
Okay.
Okay.
Ready? 1. Ready? 1, 2, 3. Go. Ako kung mo ako. Everything in the mouth, right? No need to eat, right?
Must eat it.
No.
You eat it before you eat it.
Hmm?
No, you take out all the seeds. I think I just it. Oh. Finish.
She's going to pay the dinner.
You are the one who feed the dinner now. Dinner, dinner, dinner. I give you ATM.
dinner.
I give you ATM. Choose. Where
Choose.
is your ATM? Left or right?
Also always pay to eat the left food.
Okay, you choose which one is your ATM. Come on. Just choose.
Akka ikka വെക്കുമ്പൊപ്പം. Come on, Cora.
She, he, they. Here's a gay.
Fuck
So-
you.
So he is the one
Is the one
to
to
pay.
pay.
To pay what?
To pay lemon tea.
No. For all. Or
For-
pay your ATM first. Okay, here. Don't forget.
Maybe I will forget.
Then bye-bye ATM. Keep the change.
Sorry, no thank you.
Keep the change. 25, 10,000. 5,000 million.
Million.
5,000
Oh,
million.
just keep it. Keep the change. I'm sorry.
No. You're getting rich. This is gold. And also $5 million.
Is Singapore or US dollar?
Can also convert to US dollar.
I would like to have some US dollar.
Yeah, this is US dollar. I give you a chance. This is a US. 5 million. $5,000,000. Keep the change for the ATM.
Okay, let's go to a club.
Okay, let's go to the hills. The hills over there. Let's go.
One more plastic.
Finish the long Where's the look up, don't throw away. We stay here 31 minutes. Okay, counting ma. I start. Give me your cup. Your cup, you put under. This one three more. I just keep out. Later people bleeping me. Blame me. I always had this. For in case of emergency. I always hold this.
All this.
That's why I always carry.
That one.
I just
This one.
yeah, you carry so much. Hey, this one you need to double plastic later. Oh, jala. Can't, later you can go work like this. Oh, you wanna go there? Take photo. Don't touch my lips, will you? You do this. Let's go. I end the video.